hairdresser from Taffy Thomas, all in the Imaginarium tent today, or you can test your strength on the mighty striker!
Keep your wrists firm. Go! Yes, that's 50.
Landing position.
Mae'n ddian dydy. Fe dwi'n llawn ar ôl brecwast i. Na fi neud beth. Iawn!
So we're going to take one strip, so if I refer to a strip of clay, that's what I'm talking about. So we're going to squash this up and get it nice and warm. So we're going to make the body of our grommets. So you get it nice and warm.
Scrunch down like if you go in front. And then sit it on his hand. And you take a picture.
As long as we're together, there's no place I'd rather be.
Dweud barod, mae'n i tap yn rhedeg, pam yn barod, golwg bysau, cynnig un.
Fedrwch chi gyrra'r tres gwad a felly nôl eich hunain, fedrwch? Sori.
Cael camera yma dde, edrych ffordd chi'ch dau, sydd wedi'i ddangos hwn iddo fo.
And you want something really healthy and quick for the kids like that, just get them a nice flat pizza. And nothing else in the pan, it's a bit of liquid that you've been cooking in, even better. The wrap will take up the moisture for a second, flip him over. So you get that nice and wet, you see, so we're not even washing the pan, we're retaining the flavour, and that's very important for the kids to understand that.
So I thought I'd go into my top 10 tips for Minecraft. Some of these you might know already, perhaps you'll learn something new too. And we'll start with climbing with water.
Let many more creatures I help to ensnare.
Come on guys, baked bean sausage and mash, the best.
Okay. Hooray! £10! Professor Beanish! That's all I need to go for a big day out in Conway. Years and years and years and years ago, when I was a little person, we had the most brilliant teacher. She asked us a great question. What is the longest line you can draw on the head of a pin?
He realises that probably one of the only set of jewels that Granny hasn't got in her biscuit tin is... Think about which two Bens you think are going to be the ones that are going to commit this crime most successfully. And when I point at the Ben that you think should be the Ben, then you clap super loud.
Two stories about Lawrence of Arabia just to finish with. Lawrence of Arabia was 5'5" tall. I'm 5'11", so he was about 5'5" tall in real life. When they made a film of him, they cast Peter O'Toole. Peter O'Toole was 6'5" tall. Lawrence of Arabia, according to the stories, when he led the Arabs into battles, they couldn't see him when he was leading the charge, so they put him on a camel. Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola, coffee, tea. The notes and music are just the same. Where's that young lady? Want to go this
Else is to do is to have fun, whether it's telling stories, painting pictures, having a dance, having a sing-song. Music's there to enjoy and to have fun.
Audience, are you ready?
Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Get ready, because you're going to see what it feels like to float on a cushion of air. Let's do this!
You would like to? Beautiful bright, sun rays dissolving from your face. An epic scale of life you are, all you've ever been, all you'll become.
Have you got wax in here? Is that like a gel or what? What is that? I'm walking in the air. I look a bit like Alec Jones.